Crypto Bros M2 exchange, completely new exchange on the market. And the reason why I'm doing this video is that they just hit the market. It's a completely new exchange and they've got a huge funding. I haven't seen something like this for a big while in the crypto space. A new exchange with that big funding. But the thing is, it's still very new for the exchange. They just recently launched, and like you can see, they're not big on Twitter, but they have interesting features, an interesting coin, and we're gonna speak about this in this video. I'm gonna show you step by step how to use M2 exchange, how to deposit, how to trade here. So if you're interested, make sure to like, comment this video, and let's get straight to the content. Before we start, remember, I'm not a financial advisor. This video is only for educational and entertaining purposes. Always do your own research, So the first thing that you want to do, basically go down below in the description. There is a link to M2 if you haven't registered yet. If you have already registered, you have two options. You can create an account with my link, you get several bonuses. But if you don't want to do it, it's fine. You just use your account that you already have and go through the video as I'm showing you how to use the exchange. So the first thing after logging in, you can see this is basically your wallet. It's very simple. This is what I like about the exchange. It's very simplified. Like you can see, it shows you your main wallet and your spot wallet. There's nothing on the account because I just created the account just to show you for the purpose of this video. Then there is the earn section, and it's very simple. If you're not familiar, you basically stake your tokens. You have fixed plans and flexible plans. For fixed plans, you can't change it. It's customized. It can be custom. It can be 30 days, 60 days, 360 days. You can get up to 11% APY, which means the percentage that you get per year. And of course, for longer you stake it, the higher APY you get. Now this is very simple, and on USDT you get 11%. And give me a bank that gives you such a yield on USD. It's impossible. But here you're in crypto and you can get it. Regarding flexible plans, you still can stake the token, but you can stop it at any time that you want. So it's up to 5.2% APY. Regarding convert, it's very simple with nothing to speak about. You just choose your coin, choose the coin that you want to change, and it's very simple, okay? Just put, let's say, $100 and it's gonna get you the preview of how much BTC you get. Then we go into trade, and this is where the magic starts, and this is what most of you are gonna use. Like you can see, this is very simple dashboard for BTC trading. If you wanna switch to another coin, you basically go in here. You can search for any coin that you want. Regarding futures, let's say we're gonna see BTC. Actually, right now we're gonna stay with spot. So that if you're watching this video, you are probably an experienced trader. Especially if you're an unexperienced trader, like I always say, start with spot. Never start with futures. This is very risky, and still already spot is can be risky for you if you are an unexperienced trader. But still, start with spot or try using the exchange and then just buying BTC. If you're an experienced trader, after some time you can start using leverage. You can start using futures. But also start with something like 3x, 5x, understand the concept, then go for higher leverages. Regarding spot, you can see it's very simple. Buy BTC, sell BTC. You have different options of the order. We're gonna start with market. Market is very simple. You just basically put the amount that you want to buy, let's say 100 USD. Here it shows you the amount of BTC that you're gonna get, and then you can just buy the BTC current average price. The limit order is basically a level that you set. Let's say you want to put 100 USD. Let's say that you want to put 100 USD and you want to buy it at 40,000 USD on BTC. You basically choose in here the price that you want to get. Let's say 40,000, like we just spoke. And then you put the amount of BTC, or you put total of USDT that you want to spend. And once the price hits this level that you put in here, the order is going to be created, and then it's going to fill the price, and you're going to get your BTC at the price that you want. You have a unique option of TWAP, and you basically put a maximum price here. So let's say the maximum price that you want to pay for BTC is 43,000. And that's going to open several positions so that you get basically better price under this 43,000 USD. And there is another option of dynamic. It basically automatically opens positions for you. You have different options: aggressiveness, auto, passive, and aggressive. The same thing, you basically put the maximum price or amount of BTC, execution time, and it's It's very, very simple. Here, if you scroll down, you can see the order book typical for each exchange. You have buy price, sum of BTC, and sell price also with the sums of BTC trades. You can basically see by dates different trades with sizes as well. And that's it, because the dashboard here is very simple. If you're not familiar with crypto, this is, I think M2 might be one of the best exchanges for sure to start for a new trader, because everything is so simple. It's very simplified. If you don't know how to deposit, it's also very simple. You choose your coin, let's say USDT, you select the crypto. Regarding their social media channels, there is 21,000 followers on Twitter. If you have any questions for the CEO, you have him here, and he does AMAs. You get the link here for the form. There's 2,000 members on their Telegram community and 144 online. It's still, like I told you, it's still a starting exchange, but the thing is, their marketing budget and their whole funding is huge. I've met the team, I've been there on events with M2, and I think there is a lot of potential for the exchange. Regarding MMX token, this is their native token, and the market is 150 million. The volume still is very low, because like I told you, there is a need of users, there is a need of clients for it to grow. This is still something for the future. Once again, all-in crypto app, earning, trading, crypto-based finance, special product, stablecoin. High yield earnings for their clients. This is something that, from what I've seen, they're focused on. Market making, BTC mining, systematic trading, low cost loans, etc. The utility token that I've just told you about, and you can boost the deposits and loans, etc. by having the token, by staking the tokens, etc. It's on Ethereum, fixed supply, burn mechanism. For that reason, it still has a potential, like I told you. Attractive yields, once again, for committing MMX for M to earn. And this is something interesting. Look at Binance and Nexo regarding the crypto earnings. And here you have, if you have the maximum yield on USDT, you get 11.5%. You need 360, and you need a MMX boost, which means probably that you need to have the token. I've met the team in Dubai. I'm gonna leave you a link in the description so that you can check this out as well. The white paper, their social media channels, their Telegram, join and basically follow them and see what they're up for. They've got an affiliate model, their affiliate program, which I haven't seen many people use, and this is always something that if you don't see, okay, if you see an exchange with a potential, and if you see their affiliate program that doesn't have many users, it might be some opportunity. So just gonna leave you here. Just check this out. If you have any questions, or if you want more specified video regarding the trading on M2, regarding futures trading, just wanted to give you an introduction here in this video. So comment down below if you want more updates from M2, or if you want to see more videos or me speaking about futures, or more complex video for pro traders based on leverage on M2. Let me know. We can implement some strategies here. Thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you in the next one. Have a good one.